Hello everyone, it is I, Nightmare Tribot, and today I'm here with
Nightmare Shadow Tribot.
and today we are going to be reacting to Galacta Soul Wolves videos.
Yeah, we've subscribed for him for a long time and he's already reached 25 subscribers. We're one of them, so we're going to react to some of the videos that he has made over the time.
Yeah, yeah. So which one do you want me to react to first, Shadow?
Well, I think we should react to, some of his TikTok ones.
That sounds kind of good. Yeah. Let's react to some of them.
Seeing powerless is like music to me. I don't
Wow.
hate
That was interesting.
You think? Let's like that. Yep, even that line. Now, how about loot? Okay, next one.
you. I bet you were
Interesting.
expecting me, were ya? Turn your back for 1 second and I'm like, well, you, ninja skills. You and I don't get to talk as often as I'd like.
Ooh. No, I know that voice line is from Happy Frog, am I correct?
Yeah, you are definitely correct on there.
Yeah. We'll give this a like as well. And it's actually quite sad that this video got 12 views. If you guys watch my videos, I literally would say this. Watch his videos and go subscribe to him, because he is really good with his videos. Now, which one next?
Well, I saw one that had to do with Tribot. There and there.
Well, let's react to that. First one.
There's something on your face. It was pain.
Oh my god. I think Tribot did this. I think with it, Tribot would love to see this. And I think what happened would reply. Then does reaction on it. Lol, XD.
Yeah, I think we've done that. And I think by time when the Tribot comes back, he's going to be reacting to this. Or watching the video that we are making right now.
Yeah, so it don't really matter if he's gonna react to us or Galacta. So we're gonna go to this is a new character.
Yeah, this Believe Tribot. We've never met this guy. And this Believe Tribot is literally new. So, thanks to Galacta for making this new character.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh, this looks really good. Like, you can see, like, the hat. And you can tell that it's Tribot as well, considering the bow tie and his cheeks and hat.
Yeah, you can definitely see that there on him. Plus it's got 13 views. Wow. We even commented this is cool. So which one next?
Well, I think we should look at some of the videos I made, like, a couple hours ago.
Yeah. Okay, how about this one?
Yeah.
How did you take down Captain America?
We shot him in the legs because his shield is the size of a dinner plate and he's...
Wow.
Oh my god. Wow. That is really good.
Yeah, considering near the end. Right, let's listen to that again.
How did you take down Captain America?
We shot him in the legs because his shield is the size of a dinner plate and...
It shows the size of a dinner plate. That'd be really small, wouldn't it?
Yeah, it would definitely be the same size as a dinner plate.
Yep. And, I think he has found out.
Yeah, we did not intentionally wanted to make a TikTok, but let's just say we only found out that someone didn't want us having this because they got them hacked.
Yeah, so we're not doing that anymore. Yeah.
Yep. Those characters seem familiar. Like, we have Rockstar Tribot and Rockstar Robo there.
Yeah. Our characters. And we commented, yes. So, basically,
And now we're going to be watching a full-on video, like one that we've made over the year, or should I say week.
yeah. So, let's get into it. Reaction.
Okay. But I think this is when we couldn't record our voice. My mic is broken. Yeah, we didn't fully make a video with our voice, so we had to literally make a video with our voice.
Yeah. So, yeah. He's in level 24. Impressive. Look, there's a song stronger than you and this one.
This is really good. This is literally really good.
Yep. Oh, there's us. Thing fell off.
Yep.
I'm following the whole time. That thing we kept on following. This is... Right, do I reset now?
And I think we could end the video there or carry on.
Let's react to one more video. How about that? One more.
Okay. Well. Blue and Black are gonna have a bad time from Fell.
That is good. Okay, let's react to it.
What? The one.
What? What is going on?
I do not know. This is weird.
Yeah. And I think we can leave that video there. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification button. And if not, how about this? You know you can say that, mate.
Yeah, I'll say it better. If you guys want to see more content on this video, please subscribe and turn on notification. And you can comment down below what we can do next. And if you liked the video so far, please give it a like. And Galacta Wolf Soul, if you're watching this, you were very lucky to have us as a friend. Because if we weren't friends, then none of this would have happened. And you wouldn't have gone up to the stage very much soon. And we are thankful that he made these two videos about Tribot and Toy Tribot.
Yeah, thank you a lot. And we'll see you guys in the next video.
Goodbye and sweet dreams.